Hello, I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to see a small example on how you can use Azure to create predefined voices and dialogues for your video game characters. Now, before we continue, please remember to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you are notified when there are new videos uploaded and streams. Also, please share the videos and hit the thumbs up if you like them and if they have been useful, and invite more people to join the channel. So let's start. If you have already been using Azure, Microsoft Azure, you know that it has a lot of great services that we as developers can take advantage of, right? One of those services is Azure Speech. Azure Speech allows you to convert text to speech and speech to text. It allows you even to translate the actual speech you are talking and recognize audio on real time, right? Now, it also offers you a portal that you can use to create some custom um, custom speech, right? What we are going to see today is in the text to speech section, we are going to use this um, audio content creation. By the way, the portal is accessible through the URL speech.microsoft.com, and that is the URL that you can use to see what we are going to do. So if we click the audio content creation, you will see something like this, right? And in here, you can upload text files, you can upload lexicon files, you can create new folders, create new files, and create new lexicon files, right? Now, what I did is I created a folder to organize a little bit what we are going to do with voices for video games, right? So here we have a voice that we will see in a second. This is a greeting in English language, right? Now we are going to create another um, predefined text or audio for that matter, right? So we hit new, we hit text file, and it will take us to this section, right? In here, you will be able to write some dialogues, right? So let's do something like that. Congratulations, you have reached the level 2. Now you see that here you need to select a voice, right? You will have a lot of voices that you can choose from, right? And multiple languages, right? Now you can click the dots in there, right? Or the ellipse, and it will take you to this screen where you will see a lot. The dialog is written in English, so I will filter for English, in this case, English United States voices, right? Gender, let's see, well, female. And type, do I want public voices or custom voices, right? I do not have custom voices, so we will use the public voices, right? Now you see that we have this list of voices. We have Jenny multilingual, we have Area, we have Michelle, we have Elizabeth, we have Monica, Cora, Amber, Ashley, Anna, and we have Ari again and Zero, right? Now, you see that these ones have an N and some others do not have an N. The N stands for neural or neural, I don't know how you pronounce that. Um, and those are neural voices. It's voices simulating human speech as much as possible, right? So let's see if we notice a difference. So let's see if you can see this, if you can listen this. So please give me a second. So let's see if we notice a difference. So let's see if you can see.
Welcome to the Microsoft Voice Tuning. Welcome to the Microsoft Voice Tuning.
Okay, so you probably heard the welcome to the Microsoft Voice Tuning audio in there. And now we will see the other area.
Welcome to the Microsoft Voice Tuning.
This one feels a little bit more natural, right? It seems more, it makes you feel more than you are talking or you are listening a human. Okay, so yeah, I will use that area voice, right? And we will see how this, how we can hear this. Let's listen.
Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
So that's the message. Congratulations, you have reached the level 2, right? Now, this is the default configuration, but you can add speaking styles, right? So you can, for example, go to the voice and set it to be chat voice, right?
Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
And if you notice the uh, emotion or the mode of the voice, the style changes quite drastically, right? Let's listen to the one for customer service.
Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
Now let's hear the one for narration professional.
Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
And now let's listen for one empathetic.
Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
And now let's listen the one for cheerful.
Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
Now this one is more suited for what we are looking in this case, which is a message to the user congratulating him or her um, on reaching the level 2 of the game, right? Now you can separate this, right, like in multiple sections.
You have reached the level 2. Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
You can create more, um, you can edit a lot of the sections, right? So you can edit reach, right? You can modify the phonemes, right? Um, you can change the intonation, right? So let's see how that goes if I select in here and I put this down. So let's hear the original
Reached.
and let's hear the one modified.
Reached.
If I put it in here,
Reached. Reached. Reached.
and you see that it actually changes, right? Let's see. You can change the pitch, and the pitch will actually change a little bit the voice. So let's try with that one. Uh,
Reached.
you notice that it actually changed quite drastically, right? So let's put 2. Let's see how that plays.
Reached.
And let's put it again on 1. Right? You can change the volume, right? And yeah. Now, once that's done, you can hit this, save, and level 2 reached. You can put any name for that, right? And then one of the things that you can do if you want is you can export it, right, to an audio library, right? Or you can export it to a local disk, right? So you select in which audio format you want to have it, and if you select uh, if you want to um, generate a whole file for the audio or generate one file per paragraph in that audio, right? So this is the WAV file, and if I play it, we will hear it.
Congratulations! You have reached the level 2.
Now you can, if you have predefined text that is never going to change on your game, you can start creating in here your um, your predefined speech, right? Generate the voices as you like them, right? And then import those files in your game engine to map them to the players or to the NPCs when it makes sense in your actual game. In the next video, we will be using some of this in a small test project in Unity 3D so you can see how you can do it. I hope this video has been useful. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, invite more people to subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments how have you been using Azure Text to Speech and if you have been using them in your games. Remember, we do trainings on Microsoft.NET, Azure, and Unity 3D. Thank you very much and have a great day.